You know very well. It's Chinese medicine based on, of course, Chinese philosophy. This thinking system is just take all of the disease like a battle. You want to win this battle, how? That's why we're going to imagine you're going to use all of these formulas, herbs, as an army. But how you're going to compost your army? Which person is going to be in the front, which person is going to be on the back, and which person is going to support, and which person is going to supplement, have as our principle to compose a formula. That's why you have chief, minister, envoy, assistant. Means if your Da Huang say, let's purge, and this guy is going to say, okay, we are going to purge. We are going to follow you. We are going to push the general to purge. Yeah. And then Hong Hua is going to say, I'm going to dissolve blastosis. And this guy is going to come to push Hong Hua to dissolve, because they can push, because they can regulate the qi, because they can move, because they're runners. But they're not the runners like Ma Huang. Ma Huang is not a runner. Can you remember you learned from wind, cold, expelling her? Ma Huang is truly aggressive. It runs. Yeah. It runs and it opens the pores and make you to sweat. Unblock the lung. So these are different. This is use its quality of what? Aromatic quality to move gently sometimes, or aggressively, it depends which one. Really push the substance inside of your body and to move. And that's why we like to combine with another executive or general to finish the task. You want to dissolve the phlegm, let's combine with 半夏. Okay? That's why 陈皮半夏we called 二陈汤. That's the fundamental formula we use to dissolve the phlegm. So one is very typical combination. One is 半夏. 半夏 is a powerful phlegm dissolving herb. And then we combine with 陈皮. 陈皮 is what? Citrus peel. You see that he's truly amazing visionary. It seems he sees all of the disease as a battle. No wonder he's the father of TCM. But don't forget, Dr. Zhang Zhongjing started Chinese medicine in his 40s. And he was the mayor of an important city called Changsha in China. He was the mayor. Mayor is good for what? Conflicts. Do you agree? It's to compromise mayor. A good mayor means can get all of the parties together. That's what we can call absorb and then harmonize the different opinions. So that's exactly he's good at it. So when you see that he combined qi regulating herb with other strong, powerful executive herbs, you're going to find amazing, simple, very simple, just like Da Huang and 枳实, and to strongly purge. And sometimes he's going to use Da Huang by itself when he doesn't really want to purge aggressively, but to clear heat. Then he's not going to use qi regulating herb. So you can see when you pay attention to this combination, you find the amazing art that in his practice. Yeah, phlegm sing. When he used 半夏 by itself, which is a phlegm dissolving herb, is not going to be that powerful. At that time, use 半夏plus ginger, fresh ginger, to stop vomiting and rebellious qi. But as soon as you see that he combined 半夏 with Chenpi, which is now we're going to learn, citrus peel is going to what? Double the function of Banxia, which is dissolving phlegm. Same as blood stagnation herb. In the future, that's the principle for you, for your practice. When you want to really just mildly to dissolve the blood stasis or to just invigorate the blood, you don't need to add qi regulating herb. But as soon as you combine any of these chapters, herb, which is qi regulating herb, combined with your blood invigorating herb, be careful. That can be very powerful. Same true for your diet. Think about it. I don't know if you agree, diet is just one part of Chinese medicine. Every day you eat, how you're going to mix these ingredients together. Think about it. Citrus. Yeah, citrus is just a wonderful qi regulating herb. Why we use grapefruit to increase our metabolism rate? Why you can do that? Of course, you can say from pure Western nutrition point of view, but you can see also from our qi regulating herb, pushing energy. Or one day you're going to make a dish to dissolve your blood stagnation, let's say. We have tons of dishes, okay, can really take care of women's menstrual related issue. Home berry, that is very sour, sweet, that's very good to dissolve. The meat related, greasy food related to what meal. And then you're going to say, oh, I have stagnation, the food stays there for, it seems it doesn't move, I have bloating, I have fullness, abdominal fullness, even pain. Now I'm going to say, okay, mix with what? Citrus peel.